Hi, I'm Linda Matthews, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make an easy pocket picture album using a set of free printables. The picture album is made with a cover on the front and back and a stack of pockets with picture cards inside, and you can attach the pages using binder rings or a ribbon threaded through holes along the edge. The papers used to make this set coordinate with the Echoes of Forgotten Places printable paper pack. You can find a link to all these printables in the description below this video. To get started, print the free printable pages onto sheets of cardstock. Print 3 pages of the pockets for a total of 6 pockets. Make creases along the guidelines on the cover and pockets, then cut out the pieces. To make the front and back covers, fold the pieces in half and use a bone folder to make sharp creases along the folds. Apply glue to one side of each of the pieces. You can use a craft strength glue stick or liquid glue. Fold the section over, carefully align the edges and press the sides together. If there are bits where the edges didn't align properly, you can trim them away with a pair of scissors or use an ink pad and applicator to brush around the edges. Use a pencil and a ruler and make marks along the inside folded edge of one of the cover pieces 1 inch in from each end. Use an eyelet punch to punch a hole at each end. You can then use this piece as a guide to make holes on the other cover section. You can leave the holes as they are, or you can insert a metal eyelet into each of the holes. To finish the covers, glue the cover insert pictures onto the front and back. To make the pockets, fold along the creases and press with a bone folder. Apply double-sided tape along the inner edge and narrow tape or a thin line of glue along both side edges on each of the pockets. Fold the pieces, carefully align the edges and press the sides together. Using one of the cover pieces as a template, make hole marks along the inner edge of each of the pockets and punch out the holes. To assemble the book, stack all the pockets with the covers on the outside. Then thread a length of ribbon or narrow cording through the holes and tie off in a knot. Alternatively, you could use binder rings. Once the book is assembled, insert the cards into the pockets. To finish the book, glue the word snippets onto the front cover and the pockets.